In this Elementor tutorial video, I will show you how to add floating social icons in your Elementor website, just like this one over here. Okay, to have this kind of vertical floating social icons like this one at one side, I am going to use the pop-up feature of Elementor. Okay, you can see over here Facebook, Twitter, oh sorry, X and YouTube. Okay, so Twitter was previously the for previous versions. Okay, you can now use X. Okay, the pop-up feature is a premium feature of Elementor. So if you do not have Elementor Pro installed on your website, then I am providing the link down in the description below for you to purchase it. So the link is an affiliate link. So if you purchase using my link, then I get a small commission without any additional cost to you. Okay, this will help to support my channel and make more useful contents like this one. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let me pause the video and remove this and start from scratch. Okay, so you see that now there are no social icons. Okay, let me go back to the website again. Okay, so now you see that there are no social icons over here. So I'm going to start from the very beginning. So, okay, firstly, I'm going to go to the back end of the website. Okay, so I assume that now you have Elementor Pro installed on your website. And what you need to do is now go to templates, hover over templates, and then go to pop-ups. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a new templates. Okay, and I'm going to name it social icons. Okay. Um, okay, you'll see that there are a lot of templates, but I'm not going to use any one of these because none of these are like made for social icons. I'll click and close this part. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to turn off this overlay option. Okay. And then also turn on this close icon so that people don't get the option to remove the social icons by themselves. Okay. Then I'm going to go to advanced and I'm going to go to prevent closing on overlay. I'm going to turn this on. Prevent closing on escape key, and I'm also going to turn this on so people do not like cannot remove the social icons when they're floating on one side of the page. Okay, I'll click on save and draft, so save the changes. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to and I'm going to style and I'm going to remove this box shadow over here. Okay, I don't want any kind of box like of thing around my social icons. So I'm going to remove this. Okay. Okay, great. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to settings and then height, width. I'm going to turn this to view width and I'm going to make it 100%. No, sorry. For the width, I'm going to make it small. Okay, let me be like 50 pixels. Okay, then I'm going to increase it. Okay, great, like this one. Okay, with small width. Okay, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the position left like this one. Okay. Okay, great. And then I think I can do is, okay, then I'm going to go to style, background type. Uh, I'm going to make the background transparent. Okay, great. Then I'm going to add the social icons. Search for the element social icons like this over here. Okay, now you add over here. Okay, great. You see the social icons are over here. Maybe I can align it to this left. Okay, great. Maybe I can make the pop-up with a bit less. Okay, maybe 90 so that it just fits. Okay, 90, 80. Great. Now I'm going to click on this over here. Okay, and You can add more social icons. I can add, maybe I can choose WhatsApp over here, WhatsApp, and then I can choose another social icons, maybe X, Twitter. I can remove this, the old Twitter icon over here. Okay, great. And maybe I can add one more, like Pinterest, great. Okay, so what you need to do, all you need to do is, then I go to style and then increase the spacing. Okay, row gap, you need to increase this row gap. Okay, row gap, and I can make it a bit smaller so that they don't, it's not like this in your face type thing. And padding, I can reduce the padding, maybe 0.5. Okay, great. Okay, you see now it's floating at one end already. Okay, great. Um, then what you could do, you can click. Oh, sorry, I accidentally removed this. Okay, I go to removed. Okay, great. So you see that how I use the history. Okay, okay, I will just. Okay, great. Um, to add the links, okay, you need to just go to. All you need to do is paste the link of your Facebook page over here. Okay, maybe let me go to facebook.com. Okay, copy, and all I need to do is paste the link over here, and then you click over here and open in new window so that the page opens up in a new window. Okay, great. Okay, and you can also do one thing, you can go to style and change the color. Okay, official color to custom color in case you want that. Okay, okay, great. Now another thing you can do, you can check on different devices, so like this. Okay, and maybe one thing you can do, you can over here, tablet. Okay, tablet is fine. On mobile version, what you can do, you can, let me go to settings, and horizontally I can this, and vertically maybe I can align them at the bottom. Okay, I will try to. Okay, and then width, for the width I can increase it. Okay, maybe 100%. Okay, so that they align at the bottom of the mobile version. Okay, and over here, and maybe I can increase the spacing between them. Okay, great, just like this, so that on mobile they're sticky at the bottom and doesn't uh, badly affect the user. Okay, uh, usability for the user. Okay, just like this one, they align just at the bottom nicely like this one. Okay, great. And on tablet it's on one side. Okay, and also on laptop and desktop PC it's only on one side. Okay, great. And then what I need to do, I need to simply publish it. Okay, publish it and add condition entire site. Okay, next. And for this one, turn this on page load, keep it 0 seconds. Okay, and no need to make any changes over here, simply click on save and close. Okay, and okay, over here I just refresh the page. You see the floating icons are appearing on one side, just like very nicely floating icons. Okay, and if I check on mobile version, you see the floating icons are at the bottom. Okay, great. So you see that how I used Elementor Pro to add social icons on a website made with Elementor without installing any additional plugin. Okay, so this is how I added the social icons using Elementor Pro. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.